What's going on, guys? So today we are going to be installing a new swivel screen on my Cybertruck. Now this is actually a new version of the swivel screen. So most people, or not most people, but some people, including me, were not very happy with the fact that this swivel screen actually lowers the screen a little bit. Well, not just a little bit, actually quite a bit, because if you take a look at this, check this out. See how much it actually brings it down. And I personally, it's fine, but I think it would be much better if it was the same or maybe even higher. So Tesstudio just sent me their new version. And apparently this one is supposed to not lower the screen at all. So I am extremely excited to install this. The install process should be about the same of every single time I've installed the swivel screen. I've probably done like 10 of these so far, and I have like multiple videos on the channel of how to install it. But I'm going to take my original screen off and go ahead and install this new one. This is how it looks. Look at that. It's still got kind of the same system here. You've got the bracket that goes on the screen. It kind of comes with the same stuff as the other kit as well. You've got this one that goes on the car. We'll compare the brackets and stuff in a minute here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my original bracket, and I'll update you guys as I go. I'm using my phone today. Forgot the SD card in my other camera. All right, guys, so let's check it out. So here is the old bracket. Here is the new bracket. So I think it goes on this way. But here's the new one. Yep, pretty sure it goes that way. And then this is the old one. Yeah, look how low that is. Check that out. Okay, so I just messed that up, and I just want to make note. This is supposed to go like this when you put it on. I put it on the other way by accident. So it's supposed to go like this. So I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to put it on. Okay, and then I can put these bolts back in. Okay, there we go. So I think that seems good. Nice. Okay, now we can move on to the next part, which is putting the screen back on. All right, guys, so I just finished it, and I definitely am liking this a lot more. Let me go into 0.5 here. Definitely liking this one a lot more. So as you can see, it goes all the way to that side and then goes all the way to this side. This one, I feel like it's closer to you, and not only is it closer to you, it's also higher. So you don't have to look as far down. So I really do like that. This one is definitely one that I would recommend more. I don't think it turns as much, or maybe it does, but it's just an illusion. It's hard to really tell without a side-by-side comparison, but there it is. But anyways, guys, there we go. Let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely a fan of this one more than the other one, just because a lot of people really didn't like how the other one lowered the screen, so this is a fix to that. So shout out to Tesstudio. Thanks for sending this out to me, guys. And if you guys want a discount, make sure to use code READ if you guys want to pick this baby up. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.